Guys, I'm extremely sorry, but the app I shared with previous version is now I'm closing. You have to download new version. Okay, I'm extremely sorry, but for some reasons we have to close previous server. You will barely notice the difference. In fact, I have added few more features, but we have moved to different servers, so previous app will be closed in few days. So download new app. For today's tutorial you need to use that app. I will post the link in description. So download it and open that app. Download Unity Ads project and download Unity local library. This is the latest version. You have the one in Sketchware Pro, it is old, but in my app it is new. You can see the version number. Okay, once it is downloaded, go to Sketchware Pro. Here we will refresh the app. So the project at the top, this is our newly imported. Open it. Actually for Unity ads you have to add some things in manifest, but with my project you already have them. You also need to include that library. Go to local libraries and check if the tick mark is checked. If it is not, then check it. You can see these two buttons lead us to the activities, interstitial and rewarded. We are initializing ads here. We have a method to show the ads. We have a Unity ads listener, and you may need to set test mode true to test the ads. I have added those import statements for you here. In another activity also set the test mode true to receive test ads. Here when we are showing the ads you have to provide the context. To provide context, just simply your activity name here. For example, I have reward activity. In whichever activity you place, you type the name. For example, main activity, home activity, or whatever your activity has the name. You also need internet and access network permission. As you downloaded this project from my app store and you have correct version of Sketchware Pro, it is already added there. If it is not, then tick the check mark. Okay, so that is our app and it is working 100% fine. In our code there are some breakpoints. I have broke them. I have added toasters, changed text. You can do other things whatever you want on, such as add skipped, add finished, add start, add is ready. These events you can update your UI or whatever you want. And I'm testing in test mode. Let's force stop and test once again. The reason I've checked it in test mode is that sometimes real ads show, sometimes they don't have them in inventory, and real ads also take more time to load because they are longer than test ads. To show the ads, you need your Unity game ID. Go to your Unity dashboard and get it. Place it here.